Prices of everything have skyrocketed, and it's gone up to, I want to say, about maybe three.
Could you say that again? Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
Siri, mind your own business. I'm trying to do a video here. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope everybody is doing well, and especially I hope everyone is being safe and healthy. First off, I want to wish everybody a happy new year, and I hope everyone had a safe and wonderful holidays if you've had any time off, which I'm hoping you guys did. Or to continue with this build and with episode number 2, I want to do a shout out to Vadania. Thank you again so much. So in the last video, we ended up getting the framing done and welded, which honestly, I'm really happy with how it went. And also the Lincoln welder, far down my favorite tool that I have purchased recently. Well, this episode, we're going to be doing some woodworking. Mainly, we're going to be focusing on the recovery drawer system. Yeah, it's pretty much a box. I ended up putting just one divider in there. Give you a little bit of a sneak peek with the way it went. We're going to get the dimensions of the box, cut it up with the plywood. And honestly, I'm trying to keep this build as cheap as possible. Even though with how things are going on in the world, especially with Canada, the prices of everything have skyrocketed, and it's gone up to, I want to say, about maybe three.
Could you say that again? Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
Siri, mind your own business. I'm trying to do a video here. Well, that's a first. Getting video bombed by Siri. Anyways, okay, so for that 3/4 by 3/4 inch square tubing that I ended up getting 3 lengths at 24 feet. It was like something like 70 feet. It ended up costing me like over $200 Canadian. Absolutely ridiculous. And then plywood right now, to get 1/2 inch 4x8 foot plywood, it's about like $40 a sheet, $50 a sheet, which is insane. So I'm trying to keep the budget down. So what I ended up using was just regular plywood, just spruce, I think it was. And that's what I'm working with, just to let you guys know. I'm trying to get this done as quick as I can with the little bit of time that I do have in my day. All right, so let's start the video. right, that is it for the video. That is it for video number 2. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I'm inspiring at least a couple of you guys, or at least one of you guys, to try these things out on your own, because it's really not that difficult. And honestly, when it's done, it's going to change on how we overland. It's going to be a lot more organized, which I'm really stoked for. Stay tuned for the next one. I hope you enjoy. Stay safe, everyone. And until the next time, who knows? Maybe we'll see you out there. Honestly, I really do hope I see you guys out there. Stay safe, everyone.